Welcome to our Markshi Excel tutorials. Let's learn and conquer the fear of Excel. Before we start the video, please press the bell icon and share this video with your friends. So you remember we were discussing about conditional formatting? We already discussed two of them topics, that is highlight cells rules and top bottom rules. Now in this video we'll be discussing about data bars, color scales and icon sets. So let's start with the first topic, that is data bars. What do you understand by data bars, or what is the role of data bars? These bars reflect the size of the data. That means for a higher value the size of the data bar would be longer, and for a lower value size of the data bar would be shorter. Now as you can see, here we have a data of 15 items along with their price list, and let's say we want to have the data bar here, data bar presentation. So we'll select the data, click on conditional formatting, data bars. Now here you can select two types of data bars, either the gradient fill or the solid fill. Now let's see about the gradient fill. Now if you select here, you can see they have represented it according to your data. Now you can choose any of the color, whichever you like. Now let's say you want to have a solid fill, you can again choose any of the color. Next comes the color scales. Now color scales divides your data in different sets and display different colors for the different sets. Now with the increase in your data, color can become either dark or vice versa. That is, with the decrease in your data, color can become light. Now here, as you can see, if you wish to apply color scales here, you'll select the data again, conditional formatting, color scales. Now there are various color scales given here. This divides your data in green, yellow and red color. Highest would be green and lowest would be in red. The middle ones would come in yellow colors. Similarly, there would be some others, as you can see. White and red color scales. It divides your data in two, only white and red. Now white would be of the greater number and red would be of the smaller number. You can choose any of them. Now the next comes the icon set. Now there are multiple types of icon sets available in MS Excel. You can choose any of the icon sets available. Now what is the role of icon sets? It divides your data in 3 or 4 or 5 sections as per the icon set selected, and further mark different icons as per the different sections. Now here you can see, if we apply the icon set here, we'll select the data, go to conditional formatting, icon sets. Now here you can see there are multiple icon sets available. Directional ones, shapes, indicators, ratings. You can select any one of them. Now let's see, you'll select this, that is 3 arrows. You can see your data has been divided accordingly. Let's say move on to 4. Your data has been divided according to that. What about 5? It divides your data in 5 data set and represent the icons accordingly. You can choose any of them. Now there's one more thing to understand. Now we have understood how to apply the conditional rules. What if you want to remove all the rules from your either the sheet or some of the data sets? Now what if you want to remove it only from the data set or from the selected cells. So what will you do? You'll go to conditional formatting, clear rules, select clear rules from selected cells. What you can see, the rules have been removed from the selected cells. But if you go to the entire sheet, you can see the rules are still applied. So what if we want to remove the rules from the entire sheet? So what we'll be doing? We'll be going to the conditional formatting, clear rules from entire sheet. It will remove all the rules applied to your sheet. You can see all the rules have been removed. If you like the video, please click on like button and please subscribe for more videos.